Hey folks, so in this video I will guide you through how to install Excalidraw on your local machine with Docker. So Excalidraw is basically diagramming application. You can create this kind of diagrams using that, and also it has some other features such as end-to-end encryption. So the reason you need to install this locally is because this Excalidraw website is an online application, so that you need internet to access this. If you install this locally, you don't need the internet, and you can locally access all the features of this application without need of internet, and you can save the files locally. So let's see how we can install this. So first of all, go to this website, development docs of this Excalidraw application. So today we are going to install this application with Docker. So you need to have Docker installed in your PC in order to install this application. But if you don't know how to install Docker, check out my video in the description. In that video, I explain how to install Docker and set up it to run applications. So first thing you need to do is make sure you are running the Docker application on your Windows before making the changes. And if you are using Linux, make sure to start the Docker application, otherwise it don't work. So after that, go to this link in here. So you can see the Docker image related to this Excalidraw in this Docker hub. And first pull the image if you don't already have it in local. So I don't have it already in local environment, so I copy this command and run it in my WSL terminal. So as you can see now, it's pulling the image. So after you pull the image, go to your Docker application images section. So in here you will see this Excalidraw image. And to run this image, what you have to do is click on this run button, and it will ask you to add some kind of additional settings such as volumes and other things. So in this menu, make sure to name the container, otherwise you will end up having trouble finding it within this containers tab, because it will take a random name if you name it properly here. I name it as Excalidraw, and at the port where you want to access this application. So basically it will forward the 80 port to the port to add here in your operating system. So I am using Windows, so when I add this 5000, I can access it using localhost colon 5000 and click on run, and it will start the application. So as you can see now, if I go to containers tab, it's running on port 5000, and if I go to this port 5000, you can see application is running. And if I add some kind of content here, you can see it's working without an issue. It's working same as online application. And if you want to save the things you do here, you can just save it in local. And if you want to stop the application, you can just click on this stop button, and it will stop the execution in the machine. If you want to restart the application again, you can just click on this start button, and it will run the container again. So that's it. If you have any question, feel free to comment. See you again in the next video.